Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn Python. As it is the first video of the entire playlist, let's get started with introduction. So, there are 5 main intro topics to be covered in this video. What actually Python is, downloading and installation, setting environmental variables, a first line of code, usage of Python in real world. So, without any delay, let's get started. So let's start by googling the word Python. Python. Sorry. So you can see that Python is an interpreted high-level programming language to general purpose programming. What is an interpreter? An interpreter is a machine program that produces errors by executing the commands line by line. Thus, it makes Python easier to find and rectify errors. That is the reason Python is known as a scripting language. That means the program can be written in the form of scripts and can be executed in a specified runtime environment. Let us get into the installation of Python now. Python can be installed in Linux and Windows. It comes inbuilt in Linux. Basically, Python is available in 3 versions: 2.7, 3.0 and Anaconda. Python Anaconda has its huge library, so it takes all about 100 to 150 MB of space. So most of the guys prefer Python 2.7 because of its structure, as it is simple and is mostly used. So we are going to install Python 2.7 in our tutorial. So let's get into it. First, let us check whether Python is installed in PC or not. You can see that Python is not yet installed in my PC, so let's get it installed. You can download the installer directly from the official website, or you can get the download links in the description below. It's getting loaded. This is the official Python website. Yeah, we had 2 versions here. As I said before, we are going to download 2.7 for this tutorial. Yeah, now we are going to install it. Just follow the instructions and just press on next and finish it. Yeah, the installation is completed. Now let us check whether it is success or not. Open the command prompt and type Python. You can see it is showing that Python is not yet installed, but it is actually installed. We have the problem with the environmental variables, so we can recheck it by going to the C drive where the actual Python is installed. Go to 27 and open the command prompt here. As you can see, we have successfully came into the terminal. That means we successfully installed the Python. So now let us set the environmental variables so that we can access Python everywhere. To set the environmental variables, go to search, type environmental variables, edit the environmental variables. Oops. Now select the environmental variables. Now we have to set a path. We need to set a path in the system variables. The variable name can be anything, like and the variable value is the path where we have installed the Python. In my case, C, Python 27. Now copy the path and paste it here. Now we have to mention this path into the original path variable. Select that one and add new. Type the variable name, and we have to give another one for the scripts folder. %/scripts. That's it. Now press OK. Okay. Now let us check whether Python is working everywhere or not. Yeah, you can see that you have successfully entered the Python terminal. Now we'll start the fourth subtopic and the most interesting topic, that is to code. The Python scripts can be executed either in an IDE, or we can use editors like Notepad to write the scripts and execute it in the command prompt. But instead of Notepad, there are many advanced editors like Bracket, Sublime Text, and many more. These are famous because of their autocorrection, auto-completion, and their visual colors. So I had Brackets installed with me. So now we'll write a simple hello world program. File, open. Oh, I'm sorry. File, new, and first we'll save the file so that the editor will know that this file is a Python program. File name dot. The Python programs will have extension .py. We'll write a simple print statement which will print the data on the screen. We use print keyword followed by the data. Okay. The data must be placed inside the quotes in 2.7, whereas in 3.4 we don't need this one. Okay, now we'll save the file. We'll go to command prompt and we'll execute the file. For executing a Python script, okay, we have to first find the folder. We simply paste this folder in the desktop. Okay, now change the directory to desktop. Now to execute a Python script, we need to write Python followed by the file name. Therefore, the script is executed and the output is given. We successfully completed our first hello world program. This is just a small video, a brief introduction about Python. We will dive deep into Python implementation in my next videos. If you guys have any doubts, don't forget to mention them in the comment section given below. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notifications on my new videos.